to a very different video. Now, you might be thinking, this is weird. We can see the bike moving, but I don't hear it. And there's no other noise, like wind or anything. And that would be a good observation. The reason for that is because, like the title says, I am currently sitting on my couch wearing my helmet. Do with that information what you'd like. But a few videos back, I had said that I recorded a full video, and then I realized the audio got ruined, and I was super bummed because all of that footage was now ruined too. It was going to go to waste, and I really didn't want to do that. So I listened to some suggestions people said about just doing a voiceover of the video. So I figured I would try that out to maybe save the video. Also kind of have a little bit of variety in the video as well, because I've never done anything like this before, and as far as I know, I haven't seen anybody else do it. I've seen people put like text over their motovlog where they don't talk at all and they just put text over it, but I haven't really seen anybody do this. So I'm gonna give it a try. If anybody else has done it, I didn't know about it. They obviously beat me to it, whatever. But yeah, I didn't want to ruin the video and just let it go to waste. So I'm currently watching it on my phone with my helmet on, because that way my mic's right here and I don't have to just hold it. And I'm gonna try to remember what I said throughout the video. This was recorded 2 weeks ago, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but it's my first day off in over a week, and of course the weather is horrible, so I'm making a video from in my house because I can't really go riding today, which sucks. But the good news is when I go back to work, it's supposed to be in the 70s again, so I can't ride, which is really cool. But basically, I'm just going to try to go off of memory with what I was saying throughout the whole video, and try to make it as close to like a normal video as I can. Now, I remember right here, I was telling you guys that I now have super thanks enabled, which, as far as I know, is like kind of like if you watch Twitch or anything like live streams where you can just donate to them. I think it's basically the same thing as that. But I made sure to clarify. I spent like 5 minutes saying I'm not asking anyone to do it. I'm not asking anybody for money. I'm not saying any of that. But I had some people say that they wish they could support me more, or there was other ways for them to support me. So I just wanted to let people know that now there is that option of the super thanks. And then I had talked about not turning memberships on, because that's another option. But the thing with memberships is the incentive for them is typically like, oh, if you're a member, you get exclusive content. And I had said, I don't know what kind of exclusive content I could give you guys, because like I don't know what else I would do that would be exclusive just for members. So I never turned that option on, but I do have super thanks on. And again, like I said, I'm not asking anybody for money. I'm not asking anyone to do that. I'm just letting you know the option is there. And if you were to do that, I very much appreciate it. Here, I was talking about enjoying this road because it's nice, it's peaceful, it's kind of like back roads, and it helps me to like kind of forget that I'm stuck in the city now and always riding around a bunch of traffic, which I hate. So it's nice to just go through the back roads and have some fun and enjoy myself. And I said that I was glad there's nobody behind me, because I could take my time and not feel rushed, not feel like I'm holding anybody up, and just kind of enjoy it. So that was fun. I'm not sure why I was on the shoulder there, but stuff happens, I guess. I don't know. I just realized how long this video is going to take to edit. This is going to be kind of a pain, but it's fine. I also talked about taking this road because a lot of people said they really enjoyed it, and the group ride video where we took this road actually just came out, and a lot of the comments were about how much you guys enjoyed the road, so I'm definitely glad I took it again for you. I think here I talked a little bit about the upload schedule and how it sucks that riding season is about to come to an end, but there's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. I must have skipped past it or something, but there was a part where I drove past a bunch of kids playing football, and I said I missed playing football, and then I dropped some lore there, some information about myself, but I guess the audio got corrupted for a reason, so you guys may never know. I wasn't 100% sure I was taking the right road because this was only my second time on it, but when I saw the big tires up here, they really stuck out to me, and I remembered those for some reason. I specifically remembered those tires being in the ground, so then I knew I was going the right way. But I went on for like 10 seconds, probably longer than that, yeah, more embarrassingly longer than that, about me remembering those being there. I'm not sure why tires stuck out to me, but whatever landmark helps, I guess. Coming up here to this intersection, I'm supposed to go straight through it, and as you can see, I perhaps didn't, so that was fun. Like I said, it was only my second time on this road. I got my intersections confused, so I maybe took the wrong turn, but don't worry, I quickly realized that because I didn't recognize that road up ahead with all the traffic on it, so I turned around. And then once I went straight here, I started recognizing things again and realized that was the next intersection I was supposed to turn right at. Right up here is the big lake. It's always nice to ride past it, so I'll let you enjoy the view. Here's the correct turn. I sure hope there aren't any deer up ahead. That would not be fun. It would be very dangerous to hit a deer on a motorcycle. Oh, look out. There's deer. How did I know? Yeah. I was thinking to myself, oh, there was deer last time we came through here. Might want to slow down to be safe, but I didn't do it because big brain, and then they ran out in front of me again. So I talked about how on the group ride video they were also right there. Right there is a cat I saw, so that had my attention for the next couple minutes. I kept wanting to turn around because I wanted the cat. It was pretty cool, black and white, and I'm lonely without my dog, but I would still feel bad getting a new pet, so I have not done that. But it was a cool cat. And then the rest of the video, I don't even really remember what happened, but I remember going up to the gas station to conclude it up there, and that's about it, I guess. But figured I'd mix it up, make a video from home for once. This feels really weird. It feels wrong talking to you guys on my couch, but I don't know. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully it's something funny or interesting or whatever. Just to kind of add a little variety, mix it up. Something I haven't really done before. I plan to go riding tomorrow if the weather lets me. So I should be able to get at least like 2 more rides in this year, hopefully. But we'll see. Between work and the cold, I'm not sure. But I'm going to try my best. But thank you for watching this one. Hope it turns out well. I'm going to find out when I edit this, but hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.